Hi everyone, Remy here. I'm so excited to unbox my new air fryer, and this is from brand Gourmia 14 quart big size air fryer. So I have an air fryer that I've been using for more than 5 years, which is a basket style, and I've cooked many recipes in that. Now I'm so excited to cook in this see-through glass glass air fryer. So it has a stainless steel body, plus it has this you can see the food being cooked inside. It has many functions. Here you can see. Now I'm going to do the unboxing. So let's see. So this is the cookbook that comes with this air fryer. It has 25 recipes in it. And look how beautiful this new air fryer is. I like the design of this. Very good. It has a stainless steel uh, outer body, and here you can see mix of black, and this is the glass window that it has, so you can see the food being cooked. It's like a mini oven, isn't it? Just pull it. It comes with accessory set that you can see. So it says that do not put or place any object on top of the air fryer. So this is the accessory set that it comes with. It has two racks, one drip tray, then rotisserie, fork, and other accessory for picking the rotisserie chicken. So these are the things that you get in the box. So here we are placing the drip tray. Now the wire rack. So you can make two different dishes at the same time. I'm going to try potato recipe on the top one and chicken on the down. And this is for the rotisserie. So you have, and this is how you have to take the chicken out. So this is my favorite gourmet basket style. I wanted to try something new, to see the food being cooked. I want to enjoy cooking in a new style. So that's the reason I picked a new one. This one is still working. It's in a very good condition. Looks good though. No problem. And it's been with me for last 5 years. I'm baking a lot of recipes in this. So look at it. And the first thing that I cooked in this is boiled eggs. We won't say boiled egg, but yes, air fryer hard eggs. And it turned out really good. So I use the same temperatures that I use in the basket style, that is 260 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. So keep an eye on the next video. I will be sharing it soon.